Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about a scary pop-up that tries to infect your browser with browser hijacking extensions. The pop-up is coming from this site Streamadvancedgreatlyco.best. Well, there have been some similar pop-ups in the past, and they claim that it's some software update, and the scary warning is given telling you to perform that update. You may be forwarded to some other malicious pages after that. But all these pop-ups try to force you into downloading some extension that will hijack your default search engine. Now, I strongly advise that you don't agree with such proposals, and if you have done that, you need to perform some manual steps. Go to the menu, click on More Tools and choose Extensions. And now you need to disable and delete all suspicious extensions here. Once again, More Tools, Extensions, and go ahead and delete all suspicious extensions that you see here. If you don't see any suspicious extensions, but your browser still acts in a very unusual manner, it could be that there is some malicious profile. So go to the System Preferences. If you see some profiles here, be sure to remove them. Finally, I recommend that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application through this resource, then start the program. Initially, it will be in the trial mode. However, it has got some free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. The antivirus is the feature that is only the part of the premium license. However, you'll be able to perform the free scanning of your Mac with this program. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.